Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Meeks here. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. I've got a different sort of unboxing video for you today. As usual, my favourite monthly treat, I have here my Look Fantastic box, the February edit. But instead of just doing a normal unboxing, I've actually tried and tested the products beforehand. So I'm going to show you how I use them and give you my first-hand experience and opinion after actually trying the products. So that's something that I've never done before, and hopefully you enjoy that. But before I get into that, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate if you join the family. Ring the notification bell also so you do not miss any of my future videos. Let's get into this box and let me tell you all about February's edit of the Look Fantastic beauty box. First of all though, Look Fantastic, they are a huge online beauty store. They sell products worldwide, including their amazing beauty edit boxes. So every month for a monthly fee you get a lovely box like this which has 6 mysterious products in, and the total value is always a minimum of £50. You can subscribe to the beauty box monthly. There are 3 subscription plans. There's 3, 6 and 12 months, or you can go on a rolling subscription, so every month you're not tied in, you just pay monthly and you get your box. I do have a discount code if you wanted to take out a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription plan, so I'll pop that on the screen and down below in the description box so you can save some coins. Okay, let's open this up and let me tell you all about what's in this box this month. So the first thing you'll see when you open the box is the monthly edit booklet. This is a fantastic booklet. It gives you all the information about the products inside. There's also monthly interviews, beauty tips and information that I personally find really interesting. I love just sitting down with a cup of hot chocolate on an evening and just having a great read through of this edit. And it has had a new look lately, and it's got some really nice features in, like inspirational quotes. This month there's 10 books to help you feel inspired. You know, just a really nice personal touch the edit now has. Also in the beauty edit every month you get a sneak peek of what is coming up in next month's box, and from what I can see it's a good one. So next month we have the Christopher Robin Regenerating Hair Mask, and it's 50ml. It says this restorative hair mask repairs, protects and soothes your hair from root to tip. It's enriched with prickly pear seed oil which has antioxidant benefits to restructure your hair, making it stronger and improve shine. And that is the Christopher Robin hair mask. Never tried that brand, although I've heard some good things, so I will be looking forward to receiving that next month. But let's get on and let me tell you how I got on with the products this month. So the first product that we have here is the Ico Galactic Eye Gloss. The booklet says it's a liquid eyeshadow to take your makeup look to the next level. Mess free and quick to apply with a glitter finish which allows you to take your makeup from day to night. Okay, I was a bit skeptical with this, I will be honest. That's nothing to do with the brand or the eyeshadow. I just personally am not that great at applying eyeshadow. I don't use it on my day-to-day. I would love to learn, but every time I seem to try, it just ends up a big mess. So usually I don't even bother. But I did want to give this a try, and I'm so glad I did. I found it to be really pigmented. I didn't need much product. I used a brush and it was really easy to sweep across the eyelid. There wasn't much mess and it lasted for the whole day. I put this on in the morning and I had quite a late night that night. I think I didn't end up taking off my makeup for the day till about 11:30 p.m. I just had a really long but cozy day at home, and you know, you just can't be bothered to take your makeup off. I took it off at the last minute and it was still there, still pigmented, still looking great. It's a really lovely colour as well. It is glittery, but it's not overpowering. The shade I got was Zodiac, and there's 2 shades that you can receive this month. That is Zodiac or Stardust, and these are the 2 shades. So you can see the Zodiac, which I'm wearing in the demonstration video, but that is Stardust, and that's a nice silver color, which I'm sure will be absolutely fabulous. So yeah, was really impressed with this, and I would be confident to use this again. Definitely would be confident to use this again. I find cream eyeshadows much easier to use than the powder eyeshadows. Absolutely love the pigment as well, so that is a thumbs up for me. The next product in our box this month, and this is a bit of a cult product, and it is the Illamasqua Beyond Veil Primer. The booklet says, combining two of Illamasqua's hero products, the Hydra Veil Primer and Beyond Powder, this face primer is hydrating and illuminating all in one. Apply under makeup to help it last all day whilst also providing a luminous natural glow, and it's got vitamin C in it. And let me tell you, I can truly believe that, because when I put this on, my skin instantly glowed. It has kind of like a shimmery effect, like a little bit of glitter you can see, but not in a horrible overpowering way. Like, you can only see glitter if you look really close, but it just instantly gives your face that glow. I'm actually wearing some right now. I put this on again just before I started filming because I love it so much, and I don't know if you can see, I personally think my skin looks radiant. What do you guys think? I think it looks very radiant. Absolutely loved this, and I'm so glad that I tried this and it was in this month's beauty box. It gave my skin a dewy glow, and I found that my makeup lasted all day after using this, which is why I reached for it again today. But yeah, absolutely brilliant. Really impressed with this one. The next treat in our box, this is the Balance Me AHA Glow Mask, and this is a 10ml product. The booklet says it's a chemical facial exfoliant to brighten, purify and plump up your complexion. Its blend of AHAs encourages the shedding of any dry or dull skin to reveal a natural, youthful and luminous glow beneath. It's suitable for all skin types, but particularly beneficial for blemish-prone skin. So how you use it, you just pop it in your hand, you smooth it on your face. It goes on really smooth. It's not gritty at all. You leave it on for up to 15 minutes and then you remove it with a warm, damp cloth. So that's exactly what I did. I left it on for the maximum for 15 minutes, and I tell you, you can tell that this has AHAs. It did feel quite strong. When I say quite strong, you can feel it kind of like tingling your skin. It's not in an irritating way, but you can definitely feel that something is working. After washing it off, I didn't feel any tightness. My skin did feel a little bit, you know when you've just had an AHA mask and your skin's a little red? It wasn't tight, it wasn't painful, but it was just from the mask. So what I done is I just made sure that after I washed it off, I put on some hyaluronic acid and some sun cream. Definitely need to put some sun cream on after using this, because it is quite strong, and AHAs, it is best to apply sunscreen to not have your skin burn or irritate your skin, because you are peeling off a layer of the skin when you exfoliate. After my skin calmed down, which wasn't very long, the redness only lasted maybe 2 minutes after I applied my sunscreen, and I applied that straight after washing it off. My skin looked glowy, it felt smooth, it felt soft. Again, another nice product. I did use about half the bottle, so you get about 2 uses out of this, and I think that I would definitely purchase this again once it's finished. The next products, these are the Magnatone Wipeout Swipes, and they are 2 microfiber cleansing pads that remove even the toughest of makeup with just warm water. Super soft and ideal for sensitive skin, as no cleanser is needed. Simply throw it into the washing machine after use, and you can reuse them thousands of times. That means no more disposable makeup remover wipes going into landfill. These, I think these were the biggest shock out of everything in the box. I was really skeptical, because I use balm cleansers, so that's the serious good stuff. A balm cleanser, a muslin cloth and some micellar water. So when I saw these, and then I was thinking just warm water, I was really like, I'm not too sure about that. However, when I tried them and started wiping, you'll see, as I show you guys a few times, how much product was coming off onto these cleansers. absolutely brilliant. You get 2 in the pack, so when one is in the wash you can use the other. I currently have got both in the wash right now because I've used both. They're going to save me so much money. Don't need to buy continuous cotton pads anymore, as it says you can use them thousands of times. Just pop them in the machine. Mine are in the machine or about to go in the machine, ready to wash and use again. I won't completely ditch my balm cleanser because I do love that, but those days where you just can't be bothered, you're tired, you just want to take your makeup off, these are a go-to. Let me just say as well, I had to test, I didn't film this bit, but I had to grab some micellar water, put it on a cotton pad and wipe off afterwards just to see if my makeup had gone. My makeup had gone. I cannot tell you how good these worked. I was blown away. So these are 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10, 100 out of 100. I think this was my favorite product from the beauty box. Absolutely amazing. And then next we have the Bubble Tea Strawberry Macaroon Hand and Body Butter. And this is a thick hydrating moisturizer for your body with a delectable strawberry scent. It treats, soothes and refreshes dry skin, and it's cruelty free and paraben free. This tub says it all. Look, I have been using this so often. When I applied this to my skin, I was shocked. This feels absolutely beautiful on the skin. Since I opened this, I've been continuously reaching for this. As you can see, this was a plumped up tube. I am getting through this quite quickly. It smells delicious. I can smell it on my skin now because I used it earlier. I've been using this daily, no word of a lie. It's not sticky, the smell lasts all day, and it's just a delicious fruity scent. It says hand and body butter. I've been using this all over my body. Just on my hands isn't enough. I absolutely love this, and I can see why it's called a body butter and not a lotion, because it just feels so luxurious. It is beautiful. When I run out of this, in fact, I'm not even going to run out of this. I'm ordering some more of this before it even runs out. That's how much I like this product. I know I said the Wipeouts were my favourite, but I think actually it's a tie, because this is beautiful. And the last product is an alternative. So you either would have got the Madara SOS Hydra Recharge Cream, and that's a moisturising face cream, or you would have got the Illamasqua Papaya Enzyme Peel, and that is exactly what I got here. I got the Illamasqua, and it says it's a natural exfoliating facial cream with 7 active ingredients to repair, protect and clarify your skin. It's ideal for all complexions. This exfoliator gets rid of dead skin cells without harsh abrasion. The result, smooth, moisturized and brighter skin. And how you use it, you just apply this all over your cleansed skin. So you wash your face and apply this on, avoid your eye area, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. I always do the maximum with these exfoliating masks. I used it for 20 minutes, and difference between this one and the Balance Me is I couldn't even really feel there was a mask on my face. It didn't have like the tingly sort of like chemical feel because there's no chemicals. It's completely natural. It just felt soothing, and when I washed it off, my face was radiant, my skin felt good, and it smells delicious. It's got a hint of sort of like pineapple. It smells absolutely wonderful. Didn't dry out my skin in any way. As you know, with Illamasqua, you are expecting quality results, and with this, I definitely say I got quality results. It's a 15 ml. I used about, I'd say it's about up to there, so you can probably get 2, maybe 3 uses out of this. This is definitely good value for money, especially if you have sensitive skin. This is perfect for you. It exfoliates without any sort of chemicals whatsoever. It really just is a beautiful, lovely exfoliating face mask, and afterwards your skin will be feeling fruity fresh as well. So absolutely love that from Illamasqua. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So guys, that's the end of my unboxing. I hope you guys appreciated me demonstrating the products in my video. Again, apologize for the eyeshadow. I'm not the best at applying eyeshadow, but at least you can see the pigment and see how it just made my eyelids pop. Really, really beautiful against my skin tone. All the products were really, really good. My top favorites were the body butter, and these were phenomenal. So yeah, really enjoyed this edit. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed unboxing with me. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. That would help me out a lot. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you did want to get your beauty box, check the links below. I have a link and my discount code for you to click and subscribe. And I really can't wait to see you on my next video, guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.